Hello my friends, it's Buck Weezer. You've tuned to Buck's Small Engine DIY on YouTube. And I want to talk to you very briefly about something you should do every time you mow the lawn. You know what that is? When you're done mowing the lawn, you should use a handheld blower to clean the grass, dust, and dirt off of your tractor or lawnmower. And there's a great little tool that's been presented to me, which I now present to you. The 21 volt battery powered GOCHIFIX handheld blower. And the kind people at GOCHIFIX made this available to me. And if you'll stay with me till the end, you will be able to get one of these yourself at 50% off. I've got the John Deere 345. It's a liquid cooled engine with a radiator, and this thing gets covered with dust every time I mow with it, and I want to clean this off before I put it away. And of course, just as important, you got to clean those grass clippings off the mower deck. Charging the battery packs is easy. You just plug the charger into a wall socket and then plug it into the battery. And we're going to charge them up real quick, see how long it takes. Alright, we got the green light on the charger. I wasn't watching too closely. I think we had about an hour and a half to charge up the first battery. So let's switch it over and we'll charge up the second battery. Alright, so the red light's on now while it's charging. When it turns green, it's done. To insert the battery into the blower, just turn it upside down, slides right in, and clicks into place, and you're ready to go. To remove it, squeeze this button and slide it back. Piece of cake. You know guys, I got a big property and I do have a big Husqvarna backpack leaf blower. But for the small jobs, I just never feel like firing that thing up and lugging it around on my back. That's why this 21 volt battery powered GOCHIFIX handheld blower 5-speed is a great tool for the small jobs, and I'm really glad to have it. The 21 volt GOCHIFIX is super light, easy one-hand operation. Variable speed with your thumb control. Guys, the GOCHIFIX 21 volt cordless blower, complete with 2 batteries, charger, instructions. This sells on Amazon for $79.99 if I'm not mistaken. You can get it today for half the price using this discount code, and I really encourage you to do it. It's useful, especially for those small jobs where you just don't want to bring out the big guy. And I'm really happy to have it. I think you will be too. And at that price, you can't afford not to, man. Just go for it. Thanks for watching today. And leave your comments and questions in the discussion below, because I always appreciate that. And thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.